Right, pistons in, conrod's on. Crank is 10 newton meters, conrod's 10 newton meters. Feels nice. On to the next step. Right, big end. This is 61 newton meters. One, two, three, four, sorry, that's three, and this is four. Right, so one, two, three, and four. So that is big ends tight, ARPs fitted, lube on ARPs, 45 pound-foot, which is 61 newton meters. Right, and here's the main bearing. Stage 1 is 44 newton meters. So set 44, right, 44 newton meters. Right, stage 1, 44. And then stage 2 is 88 to 100. So I'll set it at set it at 100. Right, that is should be error, fucking error. Works out right. The torque wrench digital only goes to 85. So this one, the clicker, is 100. So right, torque set on big end and main bearings. Turns over mint. So now we will use torque seal and set everything. Right, so this is why I use torque seal or anti-tamper. Once we've torqued it down, we lock it off and then we know it's been done. That feels nice. Everything oiled up and everything torqued on the crank. So the old one has a large space for the O-ring, which is here and fitted on there, but the new one doesn't have it, and it does fit, all fits, but it bottoms out. So I either take a millimetre off that and then butt it up with the gasket. Yeah, they are not exactly the same. Just 4mm, 6mm. Right, it's coming together now. Crank, conrods, everything in. Oil pump in, oil pump primed, oil squirters, pipe modified and fitted, everything locked off. Distributor drive in with all the oil seals and everything tickled. So yeah, we'll be hopefully whacking sump on and then getting the head on. So yeah, all good. Right, so all that's left to do, re-amaining. It's all back together. And sump is closed, so fairly good day. Fairly good day.